A lot of us have these Mora knives like this that have the button loop attachment on the back of it. Now, Mora knives aren't great for sliding on belts, but they're actually designed to be slipped over buttons in Sweden. That's where these knives are made. Mine, I just attached to my belt loop with a piece of paracord and a little clip. But I'm going to show you how to make a hack for this with a little piece of leather, some snaps, and a post button. The measurements for this piece of leather are not exact. It's basically just wide enough so that it'll fit through Molly, so I can put it on a backpack or something like that, and still long enough so that I can loop it over a belt. That's about all you got to figure out. Now it's time to assemble the rest of my supplies. Basically, I would be putting 2 snaps on it and a post button. So here's what the post button looks like. It's just a screw together leather post button. Pretty simple. You can find these pretty much anywhere. And I'll be using 2 snaps. Looks like a lot, but keep in mind that each snap consists of 4 parts. Okay, let's keep going. First thing I did is I marked how far my piece of leather is going to fold over. You can see that little pencil line there. Once I did that, I went ahead and put 2 holes in the end, approximately where I wanted them to be, and then 2 holes where it's going to fold over and meet the snaps. So now all we got to do is worry about mounting all those snaps in there. So let's get that part of the process taken care of. Here you can see that I got the external part of the snaps put together. That's the socket side. And I just got to go ahead and attach the post side of those snaps. So let's get that taken care of too. Okay, so we got the post side of the snaps put on there. You can see those. See the back there. Everything's fairly tight. And what this is going to allow us to do now is to fold the entire thing together, like so, snap it shut. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put our post button right in the center, right here. And that's the last part of this project. So let's go ahead and get that marked where we're going to want that with our little screw together post button there, get it in place. Got the hole centered up exactly where I want it, and I'm going to go ahead and install that post button there. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. Very simple little hack. Very easy project considering if you've got all the pieces you're going to need. You're going to keep that in mind before you get started. But that's about all there is to it. And I'm going to show you how this all works together. Fold it up, it's nice and compact. Now you'll be able to slip that over a belt loop. You can slip it over a strap on a backpack. You can slip it through Molly if you've made it the right width. And it should serve the purpose that you're going to need it to serve. So let me go ahead and demonstrate that. That's what you do. You just slip the knife, Mora knife, onto the little button there, and it'll stay in place for you. And depending upon how you have it set, you can have a strap run through there like that, or you can have a strap run through there like that. Very easy, because that's going to pivot around whatever you need. And the knife's just going to hang, and it's going to be secure. So maybe this little hack has proved useful for you. If it has, consider that thumbs up like. I'd appreciate it. And with any luck, I'll see you on the next video. No, baby, the video's over. They've got other stuff to do. Here, take this. We'll see them next time.